Welcome back to SR Money News IN, where we cut through the noise to bring you institutional-grade market intelligence. This week, the market faces a pivotal moment. The AI rally, which has fueled so much of the recent market momentum, is now put to the ultimate test. It all hinges on the upcoming earnings reports from a few select big tech giants. These results will act as a critical stress test, revealing whether the AI narrative has moved from speculative excitement to tangible financial performance. Investors are holding their breath, ready to reassess the very foundation of this technological paradigm shift. At the forefront are companies like Alphabet, Tesla, and Intel. Each possesses a unique core moat crucial to the broader AI ecosystem. Alphabet, through Google Cloud, offers the foundational infrastructure and powerful large language models driving AI innovation. Its ability to integrate AI across search, advertising, and enterprise solutions provides a vast revenue opportunity. Tesla's AI moat stems from its real-world data advantage in autonomous driving and its ambitious supercomputing projects, like Dojo, pushing the boundaries of AI applications. Meanwhile, Intel, a titan in chip manufacturing, remains vital for the raw computing power required for AI at scale. Its success in supplying data center chips and AI accelerators directly impacts the entire industry's growth trajectory. As these giants prepare to report, the market isn't just looking for revenue growth. It's scrutinizing the quality of that growth. Investors will assess cloud segment performance, specifically looking for sustained acceleration and clear pathways to profitability. For chip makers, the focus will be on demand for AI-specific hardware and the effective monetization of new chip architectures. The key immediate financial implication isn't just past performance, but how these figures translate into future capital spending commitments. High capital expenditure is necessary for AI development, but it must be justified by visible returns. This is like turning the spigot on a complex pipeline. The market wants to see the flow of data and revenue, not just the cost of new pipes. Beyond the numbers, management commentary will be paramount. Investors are eager for clarity on execution strategy, particularly regarding AI monetization and capital allocation. The market will listen intently for signals about the pace of AI integration into existing products and services, and the anticipated impact on profit margins. For example, a strong indication of margin expansion, meaning they're making more profit from every dollar of sales, would significantly bolster confidence. Corporate guidance on future capital spending plans, especially concerning AI infrastructure, will directly shape market expectations for sustained growth. Any pivot or adjustment to these strategies will trigger a swift reassessment of asset insulation, influencing how well these investments are perceived to protect against market volatility. The broader industry context is equally critical. The macro environment presents a complex backdrop, marked by persistent geopolitical tensions and rate uncertainty. These factors significantly influence corporate spending behavior and consumer demand, creating both tailwinds and headwinds for the big tech sector. For instance, a continued tightening of monetary policy could dampen enterprise IT budgets, affecting cloud growth rates. Conversely, a stable geopolitical landscape could unlock new markets and accelerate technological adoption. The competitive landscape for AI is also intensifying, with numerous players vying for market share in foundation models and specialized applications. This dynamic environment necessitates agile execution strategies from the leading companies. However, significant risks loom large. Beyond the macro environment, specific vulnerabilities could impact big tech's growth trajectory. Regulatory pressure, particularly antitrust scrutiny, remains a persistent threat, potentially leading to operational restrictions or even breakups. Cost inflation in areas like energy for data centers and specialized talent can erode profit margins, even amidst strong revenue growth. Systemic headwinds, such as supply chain disruptions, especially for critical chip components, could hinder expansion plans. For example, Intel faces the constant challenge of scaling its foundry business amidst a volatile global supply chain. These factors necessitate robust risk management and strategic diversification to maintain long-term value creation. Looking forward, the earnings reports will offer crucial insights into forward earnings visibility. This refers to how clearly companies can predict their future profits, much like seeing what's ahead on a financial roadmap. Strong guidance and robust project pipelines will solidify multi-year growth theses for companies like Alphabet and Tesla. For Alphabet, this means clear pathways for AI monetization across its vast user base and enterprise clients. For Tesla, it's about the tangible progress and revenue generation from its FSD software and future AI robotics. Conversely, any ambiguity could trigger a swift valuation reassessment, prompting investors to reevaluate if the current stock price accurately reflects future earning potential. We are looking for durable competitive advantages that can weather market cycles. The true test will be the asset insulation these companies demonstrate. Asset insulation is like a strong foundation protecting a house from a storm. It signifies how well an asset can shield against broader market volatility and economic downturns. Big Tech's diversified revenue streams, particularly in cloud services and subscription models, historically provide a degree of insulation. However, a significant slowdown in enterprise spending or a major shift in consumer behavior could challenge even the strongest balance sheets. The market's reaction to these reports will signal whether investors believe these companies possess the strategic flexibility and financial resilience to maintain their premium valuations. This isn't just about quarterly beats, it's about the long-term structural integrity of the AI investment theme. In conclusion, this week's Big Tech earnings represent a crucial inflection point for the AI rally and the broader market. Investors must move beyond headline numbers and meticulously analyze cloud growth, chip demand, capital spending plans, and management's forward guidance. Understanding how these companies navigate macro risks and position for multi-year AI dominance is paramount. The strategic implications of these reports will ripple across portfolios, potentially driving significant capital rotation, like adjusting the sails on a ship to catch the best wind. Subscribe now for more deep dive institutional analysis and keep your portfolio strategically positioned. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.